Delivery trail. Today we're in Cumberland, Portmore. Miss Foster, how are you doing? Hello, sir. Glad to be back. Oh, you don't carry ID, I don't understand. You never remember? Alright, we'll deal with that later. What you want to tell me about my service? Because today is Sunday and I'm here.
Well, I can say it's a great service for a shipping company that ever come at my home to do delivery. I'm grateful.
So all along you never leave? All along you just give away your money, sir? Oh, okay, alright.
So thanks for your service and I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, I like you here.
Thank you.
I never know so them could have the locks in them kind of.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice. So you think we should have grown mine for more and call it brother locks?
If you want.
So when man do it, no brother locks?
I don't know.
You don't know?
But I know say mine a sister.
Yours a sister?
Yeah.
Sister lock. It look good. It look good.
Thanks.
So the part that can pull out back, the part where you make the arch and...
Everything can flow.
For real? Take off and put on or still each up my head. You're here.
My ear.
Oh, them creative.
Everything my ear.
Okay, you do it?
Can't even know.
Okay.
A stylist.
Stylist. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So can go on for the youths them. Anyway, I won't keep your time. Thanks for being a part of our family. Make sure you say you invite your friends and families.
Sure.
All right?
Yeah.
And no football now play today or too early?
It's too early.
You play too?
Not again one.
You used to play football, which one? Your foot them look chip up like you used to play football. For which company?
Red Stripe.
Red Stripe? Oh, top drinker or top baller?
Top baller.
Anyway, top baller. Enjoy the rest of your day. Alright? That's how we do it on the delivery trail. The top baller say later on she just go watch the football, she done with the playing. We don't play too. So bye.